In this video, we listed the 5 best mini drones on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Xiaomi V66 Mini Drones. The Xiaomi V66 Mini RC aerial drone is a high-performance camera drone designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, featuring an impressive 8K HD video recording capability, 7680 by 4320 pixels, and a wide-angle lens. Weighing only 350 g, it is lightweight and equipped with a brushless motor, making it agile and easy to maneuver. The drone includes a built-in propeller guard for safety and offers GPS-based obstacle avoidance, ensuring stable flight in various conditions, albeit with a maximum wind resistance of less than 10 km/h. With a flight time of up to 15 minutes and a remote control distance of 1000 m, it provides ample opportunity for aerial exploration. The drone operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and comes with a removable 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery, which requires about 60 minutes to charge. Additional features include multiple flight functions such as one-key takeoff and landing, optical flow hover, and a 50x lossless zoom, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. The package includes the drone, remote control, spare blades, battery, charging cable, instructions, and a screwdriver, all offered at a competitive price of BDT 3,401.72 after a 55% discount. Number 2. Xiaomi V2 V30 Mini Drones. The Xiaomi V2 V30 Mini Drone is an advanced, compact aerial device designed for both enthusiasts and casual users, featuring a dual HD camera system capable of capturing stunning 4K and 1080p video. Weighing just 390 g, this foldable drone is easy to transport and operates with a robust brushless motor. It boasts a 5-sided obstacle avoidance system and an altitude hold mode for stable flights, along with 3 adjustable flight speeds for added excitement. The drone connects via Wi-Fi for real-time video streaming to mobile devices and includes user-friendly features like headless mode and one-key auto return for simplified navigation. Constructed from high-strength, corrosion-resistant materials, the V30 Mini Drone is built to endure outdoor conditions. It comes packaged with essential accessories, including a remote control, extra blades, and a storage bag, all offered at a promotional price of BDT 3,975.05 after a 55% discount, making it an attractive option for anyone looking to explore aerial photography or simply enjoy flying. Number 3. CZ06 Mini Drones. The CZ06 remote control helicopter is a compact and user-friendly drone designed for both beginners and intermediate users, weighing only 70 g and featuring a durable ABS plastic construction. This outdoor drone offers a flight time of 5 to 10 minutes and can be controlled from a distance of up to 100 meters using a 2.4 GHz remote control system. It includes a variety of engaging features such as one-key takeoff and landing, optical flow positioning for stable hovering, and gesture recognition for automatic photo capture. The drone is equipped with a camera that captures video at a resolution of 480p SD, making it suitable for basic aerial photography. With a charging time of approximately 60 minutes and a ready-to-go assembly state, it comes complete with essential accessories like a USB charging cable and operating instructions. Priced at BDT 1,723.2 after a discount, this drone is an excellent choice for those looking to explore the world of aerial photography and flight. Number 4. Xiaomi V600 Drone Mini 4 Pro Max. The Xiaomi V600 Drone Mini 4 Pro Max is a versatile and advanced quadcopter designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, featuring a powerful 1503 brushless motor and a robust 3.7V 2000 mAh lithium battery that provides flight times of approximately 18 minutes. Weighing 166 g, with a takeoff weight of 212.5 g, this drone supports a range of high-definition video capture resolutions including 4K, 6K, and 8K, ensuring stunning aerial imagery through its 120 degrees wide-angle camera. It offers a remote control distance of up to 3,000 meters and includes features like GPS positioning, optical flow stabilization, and obstacle avoidance for precise flying. Their V600 is equipped with user-friendly functions such as waypoint flight mode, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it accessible for beginners while still appealing to experienced pilots. Its foldable design enhances portability, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. Priced at BDT 5,112.19 after a 59% discount, it combines performance with convenience, making it a great choice for aerial photography and videography. Number 5. Xiaomi V2 Mini Drones. The Xiaomi V2 Mini Drone is a compact and advanced camera drone designed for aerial photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. Featuring an impressive 8K HD camera, this drone captures stunning visuals and supports 5G Wi-Fi FPV for real-time video transmission to mobile devices. Its foldable design, measuring just 9.5 by 9.5 by 3 cm when open and 5 by 5 by 3 cm when folded, makes it highly portable, weighing approximately 400 g. The drone offers a flight time of around 10 minutes powered by a 3.7V 700 mAh battery, with a charging time of 90 minutes. Equipped with features like air pressure altitude hold, compassless headless mode, and a 6-axis gyroscope, it ensures stable flight and ease of use, even for beginners. With a remote control distance of 50 to 80 meters, the V2 Mini Drone is built from durable materials, making it suitable for outdoor adventures. Priced at BDT 564.62 after a 50% discount, it combines functionality with convenience, making it an excellent choice for capturing breathtaking aerial imagery.